Good morning, BNI. Most people think business networking meetings are boring, but today I am taking you inside one of the most powerful business communities in the world. It's 6:30 in the morning and I am heading to my BNI meeting. I am on the way to the meeting venue now. Our chapter meeting starts early in the morning because most business owners wants to finish networking before their workday begins. We have just reached the venue and venue is Radisson Blue Faridabad. This is where our weekly BNI meeting happens. Let me show you what happened inside. Before the meeting start, यहाँ थोड़ी नेटवर्किंग चल रही है और ये सब कैमरे को देखकर खुश हो रहे हैं. By the way, for those who don't know me, I am Mayank Khatri and now meeting starts.
Good morning, BNI. I am Mayank Khatri from Amtech Solution into the category of security systems, smart security simple solutions. We specialize in walkie-talkies, metal detectors, package scanners and complete security communication solutions. For the last 10 years, we have been serving industries like security agencies, construction sites, events, hotels and travel companies like IOCL, BPCL and HPCL. If security and communication are critical in their business, I am the person they should be. Thank you so much once again, Mayank Khatri from Amtech Solution.
In every meeting, one member gets the opportunity to give a detailed presentation about their business so that everyone in the chapter clearly understand what they do and what kind of referrals they are looking for. And today that presenter is me. I am sharing more about my company Amtech Solutions.
Today I want to talk about something simple, security. Not complicated system, not technical jargon, just one idea, smart security, simple solution. I want to ask everyone here, why does security fail? Anyone?
Why does security?
Fail.
Poor communication.
Just primarily due to casual approach of the people. बहुत simple सा ले लेते हैं कि ऐसा प्रॉब्लम नहीं होगा.
Okay.
Because security fail because we have not used Amtech solution.
Thank you. Why does security fail? Security fail because everyone thinks यहाँ क्या ही हो, हमें यहाँ पे क्या ही हो सकता है, हमें सिक्योरिटी की जरूरत क्यों है? It won't happen here, we are safe, nothing serious happen in our area, and that mindset is the biggest security risk. Threats don't inform before arriving. आपको ये रिसेंटली न्यूज़ आपको याद होगी कि फरीदाबाद में हमारे 300 kg RDX एंड AK-47 एक डॉक्टर के घर पे बरामद हुआ था. तो threats don't send appointment letters, they test weak entry points. So my name is Mayank Khatri. I am the proprietor of Amtech Solutions. And for the last 10 years, we have been providing security systems, sales and services. We have worked with major PSUs companies and high-risk industries environment. We are providing walkie-talkie systems, metal detectors, baggage scanners, searchlights, accessories, installations, service and AMC, licensing consultancy. So 3 powerful layers of practical security. The first layer is communication. If guards cannot communicate instantly, security fails. Walkie-talkie system gives instant coordination, no network dependency, one-to-many alerts, one button, entire team informed. And the second one is screening. Handle and door frame metal detectors detection before entry. Security should start at the gate, not after the damage. And the third layer is inspection. Baggage scanner for corporate entries, warehouses, events, hotels entries. If something dangerous is inside a bag, we detect it before it enters. Big credibility movement. We are trusted by BPCL, IOCL, HPCL. In oil depots and petroleum terminals, security cannot be casual, communication cannot fail, and that's why they trust us. The first picture is at BPCL Bijwashan, and the second one is IOCL Manmad, Maharashtra, Manmad terminal, and these are my installation and service visited. For 10 years, we have served LPG plants, lube oil plants, refineries, railway manufacturing units. We work directly with HSC officers, plant heads, and industrial decision makers. Before I close, let me repeat: security fails when people think, "यहाँ क्या ही होगा?" But the business grows safely are the ones that prepare in advance. Security is not expensive. It is a asset protection, it is risk control, it is peace of mind. If your client values safety, connect with me from Amtech Solution. Smart security, simple solution. Thank you.
And just like that, our weekly meeting comes to an end. But honestly, the conversation don't stop here. After the formal meeting, everyone gather for breakfast, casual conversation, and more networking. Many great business ideas and collaboration actually starts during the informal time. If you are a business owner or a professional and you are curious about how this community works, you are always welcome to visit our meeting as a guest. You can connect with me and I'll be happy to invite you. I hope you enjoy this behind the scene look at my BNI meeting day. If you liked this video, please like, share and subscribe to the channel for more business vlog and entrepreneur life content. See you in the next video. Thank you.